In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF using Adobe Acrobat, a comprehensive tutorial that will guide you through the essentials of making changes to your PDF documents easily. First things first, let's open the PDF you wish to edit. You'll need to launch Adobe Acrobat, which is a powerful tool for managing PDF files, whether you're using the standard Acrobat Reader or the more feature-rich Acrobat Pro. Navigate to the File menu in the upper left and click on Open. From there, browse your system to locate the PDF document you intend to modify and select it. Opening your document in Acrobat is a simple yet crucial step, as it sets the stage for all the subsequent edits you will make. Once you have your document open, our focus turns to the Edit feature within the Acrobat interface. Direct your attention to the top left pane of the Acrobat window, where you'll see the Edit option prominently displayed. A click on this will unveil a suite of editing tools designed to give you full control over your document's content. This is your gateway to modifying text, images, and more within your PDF. Now let's delve into using these editing tools effectively. You can click directly on any text segment in the PDF to start editing. Acrobat allows you to add new content, change existing text, or even adjust formatting to suit the requirements of your project. If you need to move around any photographs or multimedia elements, simply click on the image and drag it to your desired location. Adding new images is a straightforward process too. Just click the Add Image option in the editing toolbar and select the image from your files. This part of the process is incredibly intuitive, providing a seamless method to infuse your personal style into the document. Once you're satisfied with the changes made, it's vital to save your edited document to ensure all alterations are preserved. Click on the File menu again and select the Save option to overwrite the existing document. Or if you want to keep the original version intact, you can choose Save As and save your edited version under a new file name. This flexibility ensures that your edits are secured while also preserving previous document states if needed. Editing PDFs in Adobe Acrobat is not only efficient but also offers a vast array of possibilities to customize and enhance your documents. By following these steps, you'll master basic editing, opening the door to more advanced functionalities and document management capabilities. With practice, Adobe Acrobat will become an essential tool in your digital toolkit. Stay tuned for more tutorials on getting the most out of your PDF handling experiences.